Okay guys, today I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing secret. I'm going to show you a method that many of these big affiliate marketers are actually applying. And one of the best things about this method is there is almost no competition. So without further ado, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Capterra. On this website you can find some of the best softwares on internet. And what you need to do, you need to click here on software categories. And you need to choose one of these categories. For example, let's just say this first one, CRM software. And here you will get the list of softwares. And you need to, let me just close this, go one by one of these softwares. And you actually need to make a list. You need to make a Google Sheets list just like this. As you can see here, name, URL, affiliate, approved. That is how I make my own list. You can add some other fields if you want, but this is how I make it. And you need to go, like I said, one by one of these softwares. So for example, I just say this software here, ClickUp. And I need to click here in order to open their home page to see what this software is all about. And here I can see what is all about. So what I need to do, I actually need to copy the link to their home page. And I need to go back on my Google Sheets. And here I need to type ClickUp. Okay, that is the name of this software, and here I need to paste URL of this software, okay? And I will make this a bit wider. Okay, so what I need to do next, I actually need to go on SimilarWeb, and I need to analyze their home page. So I will paste their home page here, okay? And then click here in order to get some information about this website, about their home page. And when I scroll here I can see 25 million people visited this website here, their home page, last month. 25 million, which means this is a big software and it is a trusted software, okay? And I need to go further. Here I can see 22% of their visitors are coming from United States, but also from Brazil, India, Philippines and Poland. Now this is important to remember this data, okay? And here I can see, okay, this is also important data, we will need this later. Most of their users, most of their visitors are between 25 and 34 years old. As you can see here, 36%. Now, like I said, we will need this data here, remember that too. Okay, here we can see some more top categories. Here you can see business, news, software, banking and so on and so on. And this can actually tell us what this software is all about. And we need to scroll here, and here you can see our competitors of this software here. As you can see, this is the list of competitors. Marketing channels, distribution, direct, which means most of these visitors who are coming to this website are actually already members. And it is why they are getting direct visits, not from Google, not from Facebook, Instagram or whatever, but direct visits. So I need to analyze even further. And here I can see top keywords. Now this is really important, top keywords. Here we can see most of their traffic is coming from ClickUp, and that is the name of this software. So let me just copy this, and what I need to do, I actually need to go on Ahrefs free keyword generator. And I need to paste that here, and then click here, find keyword, confirm that I'm not robot, and I need to confirm that this is actually a bus, okay? And this too, for some reason I need to do that to verify. And here we can see ClickUp, 66 keyword difficulty, which means it is pretty hard to rank on Google for this keyword, but 78,000 people search this term every month in United States, okay? And when we go back here we can see ClickUp with the space, ClickUp login. So let's see, is it on the list? ClickUp login, okay? Here we can see 21 keyword difficulty, 2,800 people is searching this every month in United States, which means that at least 3,000 people, 3,000 members of this website are from United States, okay? So let's just see, ClickUp pricing. Now this is important keyword. Control C, and let's just see, do they have a ClickUp? Okay, ClickUp pricing. 2,700 people is searching this, which means that at least 3,000 people every month from United States wish to actually register on this website and to buy this software, okay? That is really important. We need that keyword. And what we actually need to do, let me just go here and I will actually open Notepad. Let me just minimize this and let me just go here. Okay, ClickUp download. Let me just see if that is also on the list. ClickUp download. 900 people is searching this in United States, which means these are all good keywords. So what I need to do, I actually need to copy all of these keywords, Control C, and I need to paste them here, okay? And I need to delete this because I don't need this stuff here. I just need keywords, okay? Just delete all of this, okay? I will finish this later. So these are our keywords. We need that. Now another thing that we can do is we can simply copy this and we need to see, is this actually a trending software? Does people actually still buy this software? Do they still talk about this software? So I will go on Google Trends and here I will paste that ClickUp search term and here I will choose worldwide in past 12 months. As you can see, popularity of this software is growing. As you can see here, it is stably growing, okay? And when I scroll here, I can see that it is mostly growing. Interest for this software here is mostly growing in South Africa, Armenia. Okay, sorry about that. In South Africa, Armenia, Israel, Lebanon, and Georgia. So those are the countries where popularity of this website, of this software is currently growing. Now we will need this data here and we will need this data here. So let me just scroll here to see. We will need this data here, okay, for later and you will see why. So what I need to do, I actually need to continue scrolling here to see more informations. And here we can see category distribution that can be important for us. Here we can see top publishers. Here we can see which websites are driving most of the traffic to their home page. Okay, that is important data for us. Here you can see Vormax, Poki, Gogi. I don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, and here we can see social networks, LinkedIn, and that makes sense because this is actually a business software. So we can actually think maybe we should run ads on LinkedIn, okay? That can actually be a good idea to run ads on LinkedIn for this software because this is a business-related software and LinkedIn is a business-related social media. Also Facebook and YouTube and Twitter, okay? Outgoing links, here you can see Dropbox, YouTube, Loom, okay? That can be interesting. And here you can see technology stack, not that important for us. And that's it. So we now have enough data that we need. And what we need to do next, we actually need, this is really, really important. We need to go back on their homepage and we need to usually scroll down to the bottom and we need to see, do they actually have an affiliate program, right? If they don't, then there is no use of actually doing anything about this software. And just go through this. Okay, affiliate referrals. They do have affiliate programs. So I will go back on my Google Sheets and here it says affiliate. I will say yes, because they do have an affiliate program. So let me just go back here, click on affiliate and referrals to see what exactly they are offering in their affiliate program. So here I can see referral program, affiliate program, rewards for each time when someone actually signs up, you can earn $1.50. Each person that upgrade to unlimited, you get $2.50, $10, $5, $25. Okay, here you can see how it works. That can be really useful. Here you can see guidelines. Now, guidelines are really important and many people do not read them. You need to read guidelines, especially this part here where it says, please don't. Okay. Please read this part here. That is really important because if you do some of these things, you won't make any money. That is really, really important. So what you need to do, you need to simply click here on sign up and you need to register for their affiliate program. And after you do that, all you have to do is just come here and say, yes, you are approved. And here you need to add your affiliate link. And if for some reason this software doesn't have an affiliate program, no problem, simply go back on Capterra and find more softwares that actually do have affiliate program. And like I said, you need to make a Google Sheets list of the softwares that are available and softwares that do have an affiliate program and software that where you are actually approved for affiliate program, and you need to add your affiliate links here and you need to start promoting those softwares. And actually there is another really important thing that we need to do. We actually need to go on Google, and here we need to paste our keyword, main keyword, click up and then press enter to see does anybody actually run ads for this software. And here we can see actually there is somebody who is running ads for this software, and that is not good for us. Ideally, I would actually find softwares here on Capterra that actually nobody is running ads, Google ads for this software. But here is the thing, people do run ads for this software on Google, but they are probably not running ads on Microsoft, on Bing for this software, okay? So you should consider that. And that is exactly what I'm actually talking about. You need to start an ad campaign on Google Ads or on Bing Ads, Microsoft Ads. And that is what these people are doing. Now here we can see that there are people who are actually running ads for this software on Google. But I'm actually currently using VPN, so it shows that I'm actually in United States. But when we go back here on SimilarWeb and when we scroll here, we will see that this software is really popular in Brazil, for example. So what you can do is you can actually target Brazil, target India, Philippines, or Poland, because I'm guessing that nobody is actually running ads on Google Ads for this software here in Poland. Or when we go on Google Trends, probably nobody is running ads for this software in South Africa or Israel. And you can start Google Ads campaign for these countries here, okay? And I'm guessing that, so let me just go on Bing and I'm going to paste my main keyword to see does anybody actually run ads for this software on Bing. As you can see, nobody is running ads for this software on Bing, on Microsoft Ads. And that is important for us because that means that we can start an ad campaign on Microsoft Ads. And as you can see, nobody is running ads, which means there is no competition. And plus, Microsoft Ads are usually cheaper than Google Ads. And you will probably pay just 10 to 15 cents per click in United States for this ad here on Microsoft Ads. Now, I will not show you how to start ad campaign on Microsoft Ads and Google Ads because I already showed you, and I will leave you a link in the description to those videos where I showed you how you can actually start ad campaigns on Microsoft Ads and Google Ads. So this is how big affiliate marketers are actually doing affiliate marketing and how they're making lots of money by promoting softwares where there is almost no competition. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.